on today's news, we heard that. So we're in Canada right now. So if you live in Canada, you must get out of Canada because there's going to be There will be I know you're having winter right now, but there's going to be a tornado and a blizzard. So you're going to have to be out of Canada, not even in an area of Canada, out of Canada until the area is cleared and safe to go. Do not leave anything behind. Because if you leave anything behind, you might die because food, you need to bring your fridge. And I'm serious. And now, let's go to Sarah.
Thank you, Libby, for that wonderful news. So, on right now's news, we're going to hear a little bit about tornadoes and where they interrupt. Then we'll go to some other news. So, where tornadoes erupt, they erupt in Canada only. So, never move to Canada. Never. Because that place has tornadoes / earthquakes, and only two things, tornadoes and earthquakes. Some people got dead in an earthquake or dead in a tornado, but some people survived. So, now we're going to move on to some news about some other things. So, what's happening right now here in Utah, it's summer. So if you guys want to come and visit this place, you can, or maybe if your mom or your dad or your grandfather are taking care of you and they say you can, but if they say you cannot, you won't, okay? Okay, now back to you, Libby.
Thank you, Sarah. Now let's go back to Sarah for the weather.
So it's sunny here, and it's winter in a different place, and it's summer in Seattle, summer almost everywhere. So on today's film, we're going to head back to you. Back to you? Okay, back to you, Libby.
Thank you for listening to the news. See you tomorrow. Good night. I'm so sorry for you, Canada.